Welcome to Lanzarote's finest property, the charming and beautiful Coral Beach Resort. A superb selection of keenly priced, spacious beachfront villas, each with individual walled gardens, attractive sun-filled rooms, and the finest construction and features. Located right on the beach in the highly sought-after and prestigious La Concha area, these villas all have terraces with built-in barbecue, fully fitted kitchens, and marble bathrooms complete with jacuzzi. All the villas are open and spacious with stylish modern living and dining areas, sun terraces, and all kitchen electrical appliances. Whilst being so close to the beach in a very exclusive and quiet area, the villas are only a short walk away from a range of great restaurants and shops. Walking into the front door of your villa brings you to the relaxing and modern living room with space to unwind, clean lines, and an inviting and elegant dining area. The terrace opens up from the living room, often with incredible panoramic sea views. The well-laid-out kitchen invites you to prepare something tasty with high-quality work surfaces and the best appliances. The other side of the living room brings us to the main bedroom with built-in storage, plenty of space, and a light but romantic feeling. The main bathroom has an opulent marble finish with a large, luxurious sunken jacuzzi bath, the finest fittings, and the seductive sensation of lavish splendor. Other bedrooms and bathrooms are equally inviting, each with modern features and sumptuous shower rooms. Outside, the terrace is waiting with alfresco dining, built-in barbecue, and secluded sunbathing areas. Imagine working on your tan in the year-round Canary Island sunshine, lazing by the side of your private pool, or diving in for a quick swim to cool off. The communal areas of the complex include 2 swimming pools, a staffed reception area, large restaurant, snack bar, and pool bar. There is entertainment throughout the week, as well as delicious food from the resident Italian chef. This is the place to join the friendly Coral Bay community and make new friends in the sunshine. Lanzarote is a top destination year-round for sun lovers, both in the winter with warm sunbathing weather, blue skies and flowers, and the summer with its refreshing breezes and golden beaches. Get in touch with us today to find out more about the Coral Beach Resort and to arrange a viewing. This is a great opportunity to acquire a luxury villa in a 5-star location. Phone Gilbert Sharrard on international code 34 636 366 609. Call now and start living your life in the sun.